This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Town in Roblox Mobile. First, you'll need to download the Roblox application from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, either create a new free Roblox account or simply log in if you already have one. Then, navigate to the Games section and use the search bar to find Town. Select a popular version to begin your adventure. Make sure your mobile device has at least 2 GB of RAM for the best experience. Mastering movement in Town on Roblox Mobile is straightforward. You'll find a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen. Simply drag your thumb across it to move your character in any direction. To adjust your view, swipe your finger across the right side of the screen, allowing you to look around your surroundings. Interacting with objects or other characters is as easy as tapping them. For communication, tap the speech bubble icon, typically found in the top left corner, to open the chat window. Town is all about interaction and community. Use the chat feature to talk with other players, make new friends, and coordinate activities. Many Town games offer various minigames and activities, so be sure to explore and participate for extra fun and rewards. Don't forget to personalize your avatar's look using the Roblox Avatar Editor to stand out. Take your time to explore the diverse areas of the town, from bustling shops to serene parks and cozy residential zones, discovering all its secrets. To truly enjoy your time in town, consider a few tips. Always try to join a server with a low ping for a smoother, less laggy experience, which is crucial for mobile gaming. Take a moment to understand the specific rules and objectives of the particular town game you've chosen, as they can vary. If you encounter any inappropriate behavior, please report it to help keep the community positive and safe for everyone. Finally, don't hesitate to experiment with different roles or activities to discover what you enjoy most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.